Have you ever wondered what the key to success is in the highly competitive chemical industry? It's efficiency, but not just ordinary efficiency. We're talking about maximizing production efficiency while minimizing downtime. Now imagine a world where chemical plants are humming along smoothly with no unanticipated interruptions. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the reality is that in the chemical industry, equipment failure and unplanned downtime can have devastating effects. It's not just about the disruption to production, but also the high costs associated with these setbacks. The need of the hour, therefore, is to predict and prevent equipment failure before it happens. That's where innovative solutions come into the picture. Solutions that can foresee potential issues and help us take preventive measures well in advance. One such solution that is revolutionizing the chemical industry is AI-powered predictive maintenance. But what exactly is AI-powered predictive maintenance, you might ask? Well, let's delve into it. At its core, AI-powered predictive maintenance is a proactive approach that utilizes machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms to forecast equipment failures before they occur. This is achieved by using cutting-edge technology to collect a myriad of data from equipment in real time. This data could include vibration levels, temperature, pressure, and much more. Once the data is collected, advanced AI algorithms analyze this information to identify patterns and anomalies. These patterns provide invaluable insights about the health and performance of the equipment. The beauty of this system is its ability to learn and adapt over time, consistently improving its predictive accuracy. AI-powered predictive maintenance is like having a crystal ball that allows us to see into the future of our equipment's performance, making it possible to address potential issues before they cause costly downtime. This technology not only minimizes downtime, but also maximizes production efficiency. Now let's dive deeper into how AI-powered predictive maintenance works. At its core, this system is a virtual sentinel tirelessly gathering data from a host